Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Incubator Thermostatic with capillary tube aluminum chamber. This is on-off switch indicates that the power is coming, and this will tell you that the heating is going on or not. If you switch on this, let us say I am just there is an indicator here. This line is up to 30 to 110, but it should not be used. It will work from room temperature above 5 degrees. Let us say the outside temperature is 30. It will work from 35. If it is outside is 40, it will work from 45. So this goes up to 70. The buyer is asking 50 to 70. So this will work up to 70 or 75 degree maximum. Let us say I want to put it on 50. Say this is on 50. Inside I show you. Inside this is a capillary thermostat. Heater is here on. Now I can touch it almost at 50 degree. This is a tray and one thermometer is telling you temperature of 1 degree. And this is almost now 40 degree. You can see the 40 degree, and this glass window is there 40 degree. If it is showing 50 and this is also on 50, then it is okay. If it is 60 and coming out 50, so you can increase a bit like this, and if it is showing little higher, then you can reduce it. Then it will show you the exact temperature what you want. This window is there to see inside temperature what is item. You can put the air, it should be closed so that there is no heat loss. You can put the external thermometer from here and see the temperature, mercury, or you can put the digital thermometers which are coming sometimes short also. You can put and see the temperature inside. Now see, this is automatically switched off. This will automatically start working automatically on and off the heaters. So very easy to use, and please visit the website. Our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another one is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 9416020018. We export these are going for the export, going to a country in Africa, and we have the all stainless steel with the stainless steel chamber with the digital temperature controller. Also we have all sizes starting from 12 inches. It goes up to 36 inches. Also we have heating bigger one also, drying incubators also, oven also. Please share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications very well. Thank you very much.